I'm gonna go right where you're at. Do you want to move this building first? The electric service has already been taken off. That was the only objection.
Oh, so it's like where we can fit it in the final place, or?
No, it'll be in our way, actually. I was thinking just moving it like 50, 30 feet, but it'll be in our way. We should be good with this tree. So what we're doing on this project is we're clearing a lot of smaller trees out from these canopies. We'll be mulching that material and grading the soil below. The customer wants to have a nice rear lawn minus some of the smaller trees that are not being very productive in the space. Just like to open the space up. So that's what we're doing. Also, we'll be moving a building on this property to another position. So that'll be coming up, and we'll need to add some material to a road that's not really working out for what the customer will need. So we will be putting a nice hard pack down for this road that the customer needs, moving a building, clearing out all these trees, and creating a lawn for the customer to have. That's what we're doing today. Trees out of this property today. Looking at the space. We should be good with this tree. Next thing here, we're going to be taking out another tree here. We have a few more trees to take out, then we'll move this building. We are cutting these trees and grinding the stumps down. That's how this is going. It's just the best fit for this project. So here we go. Let's cut this one down. All right.
So all the branches for this tree are going out of the right side. So as long as you start pushing it that way, it will hopefully just raise that tree and keep going that way.
Sounds good to me.
Anything that'll push it that way.
Yeah, it's smaller too, so that's good.
Yeah.
Just have to do a real direct push to make sure it goes that way.
Right.
Okay. That'll work. Start cutting. Pretty good drop. We went right there, we missed that, and missed the other tree. Didn't even touch the bar.
But it did what I said.
Ah! You're right. Alright, we have our mulching bed here. We're going to attach it. got it. It's an uneven surface. Just come up and crowd it back. So what we're doing here, we have tops from 7 trees. So we took out 7 trees. Some of them were large. Here's all the tops from them. We cut the trunks off, and I'm mulching them right now. This will get rid of this pile. If there's anything left, we'll take care of that.